are gonna get a viral Instagram video today. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you, and we are going to be doing some more random Instagram slime trends. Y'all know this super jiggly water slime has been super popping on Instagram lately, and I'm gonna show you all how to make that today. So if you're excited, make sure you give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, while you're here, might as well go ahead and subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Come join the fam, we would love to have you. I mean, come on. Here are the unicorn fam shout outs for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you all very much. Thank you for turning on your post notifications, for subscribing, and for commenting using hashtag unicornfam. If you yourself would like a comment shout out in one of my videos, it's pretty simple. Just repeat the steps that I just said. Comment down below using hashtag unicornfam. Make sure you're subscribed. It is for unicorns only, obviously. And make sure you hit that little bell icon to turn on post notifications. That way you are notified every single time that I go live or that I am just posting a video, things like that. And yeah, I'm really excited to get on with the video, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so first we're going to start off with the hottest trend in the slime community right now, and that is water slime. If you don't know what that is, it's basically just a super jiggly clear slime. So to start it off, I'm going to go ahead and empty out some clear glue and some food coloring. I don't know why I put the food coloring in first, honestly. I was just kind of feeling it that day. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this 5-ounce bottle of clear glue here. I use the entire thing. It's not like a normal slime where the amount of glue determines how much slime you're going to have, because we're going to be adding in a lot of water to this. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix up the glue and the food coloring really quickly just until I get my desired color. And then we're going to add the water. So I ended up adding in, I want to say, a whole water bottle's worth. However, I would definitely recommend that you just add in a little bit of your water at first, just because you kind of want to introduce it into the glue. Because the glue is very thick, it's going to be very hard to kind of mix it all together if you add in all of the water at once. So just add a good amount, maybe just a quarter of the water bottle, and then you can go ahead and add in the rest of it, and it should mix a lot easier. Just a little pro tip about that. Next, I went ahead and filled that up about 3/4 of the way, and I poured that in as well. So it's not a full water bottle, it's like one water bottle and 3/4 of another water bottle, I guess. And I'm just mixing that all together. I just wanted it to be super jiggly so that you all can see. You could definitely even add more to this. It's just you need to find the balance, because if you add too much, it's just going to be water, basically. So what you just saw was me adding in some borax solution. I'm using a weaker borax solution that I usually use for my clear glue activator, just because I want to introduce even more water into this slime here. If you want to do a weaker solution, it's just half a teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water, and that is what I used. While activating your water slime, you're probably going to feel like it's doing nothing, like you're just adding in a whole bunch of activator and it's not coming together, but trust me, it eventually will. You'll start to see it come together in the middle first, but then you'll need to work the outer layer of the slime as well, and it will just come together right before your eyes. I actually left in the entire mixing here so you all can see how it's congealing together, and eventually, you know, I just kept mixing because I know there was extra borax in there, and it all came together and it looks really, really jiggly. So this here is how my water slime came out. I was gonna leave it like this, but then I decided I wanted to make it a little bit cuter, so I added in some rubber ducky charms, and I just thought it looked like a little bubble bath. It was super, super cute. This was a little sticky because it's super, super jiggly, so before I played with it, I just put some borax all over my hand so that it wouldn't stick to me too much, and then I just went in. Alrighty, next we're going to be mixing some Orbeez into some clear slime, and I've seen my friend Rainbow Playmaker do this a couple of times. She likes to squish them up and just add them into like a clear slime, so I was like, I need to try this. This is probably really cool. So I got the Jumbo Orbeez and I fully like activated them in the water and stuff, but some of them actually like busted while that happened, so I'm not too sure, and then the other ones weren't even like ready yet. I don't even know. I honestly have no words for that, but I decided I was going to go ahead and use them anyways because they're still pretty squishy. So I have my clear slime here. I don't show you how to make the clear slime in this video because I'm pretty sure we all know how to make clear slime with just clear glue and some activator, am I right? So this is just some leftover H2O, which is a slime that I sell in my shop. It's just a regular clear slime, and it's normally very clearer than this. It's much more clear than this usually. That's how I should say that. And the only reason why it's super bubbly is because this is actually the one that I used to play with in the video for the restocking video. So that's why it looks a little bit bubbly. I didn't want to wait, so I was like, you know what, we're just gonna do this. So I'm squishing in my little Orbeez and I'm just throwing it in there. It looked super cool. It almost reminded me of like a geode type of thing, like a rock kind of texture. It looked really nice. The sound the Orbeez make when they're being squished is actually very satisfying to me, and I'm actually kind of surprised about that. Mixing it into the slime was a little bit of a challenge just because they're very slippery. It doesn't really stick into the slime, which I kind of knew because I've put Orbeez in white slime before. So I kind of figured that, and it kind of actually melted the slime a little bit. It was getting very sticky. But other than that, it was actually really fun to play with. Alrighty, y'all, next we're going to be doing a super trendy cloud slime color mixing video. I don't know, I've seen my friends Slime Glitters and Slime Obsidian do this all the time. They're like the kings of cloud slime, so I was like, I'm gonna try this. Alright, so you're just gonna need a cloud slime. You're going to need some coloring, preferably coloring that's not like already in the slime, and then some glitters as well. I'm using some holographic star glitters. So I'm just taking this regular orange cloud slime here that I actually really love. It's scented like orange soda and it smells so good, and I'm just kind of fluffing it up a little bit because we want to start the video off with it super fluffy, and we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle it. It is a commonly known fact that I do not really know how to drizzle cloud slime. I'm pretty awful at it, and it took me a couple of times. I'm sorry about that, but also I feel like it's kind of my camera's fault because my camera's microphone sticks out of the camera, so I usually like knock out my whole camera while I'm drizzling cloud slime. This struggle is very real. Anyways, we finally got to a point. I just kind of shifted it to the other side to make it look pretty. We're gonna add in those glitters there. I definitely added a little bit too much, but you know, some people say you can never have enough glitter, and I kind of agree. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in that food coloring to make it look nice. You gotta get that good thumbnail shot, and you are done. You can just mix it all together. Total fail. alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed this like Instagram slime trend kind of thing that I have going on. I really don't know what to call this video. The whole kind of concept of the video started with the water slime, and then I was like, well, why don't I do this? And then why don't I do this? So, you know, it's just kind of a random Instagram slime compilation. Kind of just throwing it at you there, you know? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I mean, if you've gotten this far and you're not a unicorn, what are you doing? Come on. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run, hiding from